Okay, so today we are reviewing a new custom ROM which is named Project Blaze. Now, this custom ROM has a great battery life, but there are a few bugs in it, and there is one major drawback. So, I will talk about all of that in this video. So, stay tuned if you want to flash this ROM. Now, talking about the battery life of this ROM is amazing, and like you can see here, there's about 9 hours of screen on time and 100 hours of screen off time. The charging speed is a bit slow in my opinion. Like this is a actual charging cycle and all that. So in 1 hour 35 minutes it charged up to 85%. So the charging speed is a bit slow in my opinion, but the battery backup is really good. That alone makes it up for me. Now talking about the customization in this ROM, it comes in this Blaze house, and the customization is fairly decent. Like, it is not less or it is not something extraordinary like in case of Spark OS. So there's that, but there are some unique features like the quick settings of this ROM is like Android 11. So if you prefer that, you can definitely try this one. But there are some major deal breakers of this ROM, and I will talk about it. So one of the unique features that I saw in this ROM and I did not see in any other ROM was this US tile shape that is round for active tiles and rounded rectangle for inactive tiles. Like, I'll show you here. Uh, like, if I turn on auto rotate, it will turn into a circle, and if I turn it off, it turns into a rectangle. So there's that, and that is pretty much it in the uniqueness section. But other than that, customization is fairly decent. Like, it's not less, but it's not extraordinary either. Talking about some other things like camera, it comes with the default MIUI camera that you see with the MIUI ROMs. So there's that. Everything works just fine. Like, I'll show you, ultra wide normal camera works now, super macro also works. Let me show you here. Like, you can see here, the macro works just fine. So, and the front camera also works, so you don't need to worry about it. And the camera is fairly decent. The picture samples are fairly decent. And if I talk about the safety net of this ROM, the device is certified. The ROM will pass safety net test, so you don't need to worry about those banking apps and all that. And it comes with this Moto Dolby Atmos, so there's that. The sound quality is really amazing, but it is also one of the major drawback, or you may say the defect in this ROM, which may deter some of the users from flashing it and using it as a daily driver. I'll come to that point in a bit. Now, in the Google Photos app, you can back up unlimited photos. You get the pixel storage, so you don't need to worry about the source storage and stuff. And another thing is the performance. Like, let me show you the performance of this ROM. So as you can see, the performance of this ROM is fairly decent, but I didn't do any benchmarks because let me just tell you, like uh, when you connect the Bluetooth earphones from this Bluetooth section, they easily connect. There's no problem with the Bluetooth and stuff. But when you try to play some audio through the Bluetooth, there is no audio through these earphones. Like, let me show you here. Like, if in I will play this audio through this Bluetooth, my Bluetooth earphone, like you can see here. And there I will place this earpiece near the mic and you can judge for yourself. So as you can see or hear that there is no audio through the Bluetooth earpiece, but on the contrast, if you plug these wired earphones, like, I'm pretty sure you can hear that. So that's the point. Then if you use Bluetooth earphones, stay away from this room because the Bluetooth earbuds or neckband or earpiece, they don't work. So like, this is a Bluetooth speaker, right? Now if I play this music from the Bluetooth speaker, it works just fine. Like, hear this. So that's the thing, that if you use Bluetooth earphones, any type of Bluetooth earphone, like it may be neckband or maybe earbuds or whatever, so that thing is not going to work with this, at least with this update. So I will say look away from this ROM if you use any sort of Bluetooth earphones. Also don't recommend this for daily driving. But other than that, the ROM is perfectly usable, like not much problems. There is a bit of bugs, like if you search anything, like if you search files, it doesn't search in the app gallery itself. So there's that. There are some sort of small bugs, but they aren't deal breakers. The deal breaking bug is only that Bluetooth audio that I just showed you. That is all for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends who like to install custom ROMs, and also subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye now.